Hello all and welcome back to my channel, Drunk Crafts with Paige. I am Paige and this week I am drinking a cider. This is from one of my favorite breweries. It is called a black and blue cider and it is blackberry and blueberry flavored and it is honestly just one of my favorite ciders around. On one of my many craft shopping sprees, I found an oblong embroidery hoop, kind of an oval shape, and it has this gorgeous wood trim around it. I already have a gorgeous pattern picked out. It might be Harry Potter themed, but we are going to be embroidering that today with a little bit of extra surprise for you guys. So if you're interested in our embroidery project this week, please continue watching. On this channel, we have done a couple different embroidery projects. I will have them pop up throughout the rest of this video, but a majority of this piece, as we're embroidering it, is just gonna be a lot of back stitching with some fishbone technique to do the leaves. So I'm not really gonna dwell a whole lot on the embroidery portion. We're just gonna kind of speed along through that and get to the super fun, special part of this embroidery project. I just finished the embroidery. This was our pattern here. And here is our finished embroidery. And it's gorgeous. And I think it's really cute, but it needs just maybe a little bit of color. So our nice little twist here is that we're gonna try to do some watercolors on this embroidery. Never done this before. And I'm honestly not even sure if this is how you're supposed to do it, but I got the embroidery done first before I wanted to do the watercolors. I figured then I can get my design down first. It's not gonna move anywhere. I'm not gonna make any mistakes. It is already embroidered, and then we're gonna try to paint on top of it, and hopefully it goes well. Now, for those of you who don't follow Harry Potter, this is a Harry Potter quote, Harry Potter themed piece. This is the burrow that the Weasleys live in, and so therefore I thought we needed some Weasley-like colors. Here's my watercolor palette over here, and we've got a whole bunch of like oranges, like a burnt kind of yellowy color, maybe a little bit of reds or a reddish brown. I don't know, but I've got a nice cup of water, and we've got my paintbrush, and we're gonna give this a shot. All right, my watercolors are wet. I'd like this to be kind of messy and very kind of splotchy. Random patches of color. So I am noticing, just some observations, that it is getting my string a little colored, but if I just kind of push it around, especially hit it with some more water, it goes away. So far so good here. I want it to not, like I said, be perfect, so I'm kind of even going as far as blending it out near the vines. Let's see about this burnt orange. Ooh, it's gorgeous. Now, maybe let's try this reddish brown that's over here. This screams Weasley to me. It's kind of... it's nice. Ooh. Actually, it doesn't look super brown at all, huh? I think I'm gonna stop here for now. I'm gonna let the watercolors dry, see how the actual color turns out, and I'll decide if we're gonna go ahead and need another coat or not. Well, the watercolors are all dry, and I did not come in and do a full second coat, but I did add a little bit of extra flair, which I will show you guys in a second. So here is our finished embroidery watercolor piece. Not to toot my own horn, but I think the color schemes, I think I picked them out pretty well. It screams Weasley to me, and I knew this piece needed just a little bit of color, but I am loving the oranges, the browns, and the yellows. And I did go in and add some of these splotches up top and down near the bottom. Just kind of, I know I said a couple times that I didn't want this piece to look too perfect, to kind of look messy. And I think it just adds to it. It adds to the messy Weasley vibe. So here are some clips of this piece outside in the natural light. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this week's craft, and if you did, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I post crafting videos most Fridays. And if you're interested in following me on any social media, links are in the description box below. I'll see you guys all for the next one. Cheers!